Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can prevent website accessing your camera on Google Chrome. So when you visit some sites that ask you permission about camera, you can try to disable it. You can try to prevent the sites for accessing your camera by click three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click settings and go to privacy and security, and see there is a site settings, control what information sites can use and show. Click it. Now you can scroll down. Under permission there is camera. Sites can ask to use your camera. Click it, and here we go. By default or default behavior, say sites can ask to use your camera here. Sites automatically follow the setting when you visit them. Sites usually use your video camera for communication feature like video chatting, but you can set a default behavior by do not allow site to use your camera. Features that need a camera will not work. Maybe you want some privacy, just turn this off. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.